I'm ready.
Your Excellency, you can see the carnage these people have done here.
Let me say, the good people of Rivers State, it's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we use taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security is even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me directly. They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day. I want to die when people hear Fubara. They say, who is this Fubara? Is that man that was killed one time for a struggle? That is what I want to be remembered for. I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody. But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. The first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action that is taken here is none and void. For our good people of Rivers State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me. God will say. Oh.
Hey, carry your attention, go forward, go forward, go forward.
But the difference with our own power, we will not abuse it. We wake up this morning with a very troubling news. We have gone to the assembly to see for ourselves what has happened. On my way there, I was shot at directly by the OC operation, or DC, or whatever they call it. Directly, it's not, but it doesn't matter. Somebody will die, one way or the other. Either you die inside your house, or you die on the road by something. But so my journey today is, whatever it is that wants to happen, let it happen. If Siminalayi Fubara is impeached, I am not the first, neither will I be the last. Hold on. I'm saying if it happens. But what is important is any attempt that is not justified will be resisted. Let them come out. And tell Rivers people, that offense that is what I want. Come out and tell the people of Rivers State that offense that Fubara committed that is warranting impeachment. So, but my happiness this morning is the people of Rivers State, represented by every one of you here, is with us. I can go home and sleep. Let me assure you people that we will continue to defend you people. We will protect you people. And you will enjoy the dividend of democracy. Let me thank you again. I don't want to say more than this. At the appropriate time, I will address the press. Thank you.